Hi guys, now we are going to do a reading exercise. It's very simple. I'll just delineate each and every word so that you'll understand a bit better. So let's start. So here you can see two guys' names are there. One is Benoit and one is Pierre. Okay, Benoit is Benoit only, I guess, and Pierre is actually in English it is Peter. Let's just get to know what is this about. So Benoit écrit an email à un ami. Okay, so it is Benoit writes an email to a friend. Lisez-le, puis répondez aux questions en français. Lisez-le would be read it. This it is your object, it's your direct object. So read it, puis répondez aux questions en français. That is, then respond to the questions in French. The first guy is writing an email to the second guy. Let's see. So we'll read this passage now. Salut. Salut is hi. Je viens de passer 5 jours chez mon ami Pierre qui habite à Chennai. So je viens de passer, which means this tense is called as passé récent, which is recent past. That is, I just spent. Okay, passer here, passer also means to pass and also to spend. Okay, here it is like when you're spending some time or something, then you will use it as passer. If you're spending money, then it will become dépenser. That is different, but this pass is only for timing. So, je viens de passer 5 jours chez mon ami Pierre qui habite à Chennai. So, je viens de passer is I just spent 5 days chez. Chez means at the place of. So, it's at the place of mon ami, which is my friend, Pierre. Pierre is the name, that is Peter, I already said. Qui habite à Chennai. Habite à Chennai is lives at Chennai. In English, we also call it as lives in Chennai, right? So, but in French, you have to only call it as, for cities, you're supposed to use a with an accent only at Chennai, at Bangalore, okay? Pierre a le même âge que moi et nous aimons les mêmes choses, mais nous nous voyons rarement car j'habite loin de Chennai. So here it is, it's a big sentence, let's just take it little by little. Pierre a le même âge que moi. This means Pierre is Peter, a is coming from the verb avoir, that is to have, so il a, that is Peter has, le même âge, that is the same age, que moi, that is as me. So, Peter has the same age as me, et nous aimons les mêmes choses, which means we like the same things. And then, mais nous nous voyons rarement car j'habite loin de Chennai. But we see ourselves rarely because I live far from Chennai. Loin de is far and près de is near. So, since they are like a bit far, they don't see very often. Nous restons en contact sur Facebook et WhatsApp, mais nous aimons aussi passer du temps ensemble pendant les vacances. This means nous restons, rester is to stay, so we stay in contact on Facebook and WhatsApp, but nous aimons aussi passer, which means but we also like to spend some time together during the vacation. So here if you come across any new word, just jot it down so that you can refer to it a bit later. Okay, let's continue. So here it is, nous aimons jouer aux jeux vidéo, which is we like to play the video games. Alors, nous avons passé beaucoup de temps dans sa chambre où il a son ordinateur. So here it is, alors is so. Nous avons passé, this is passé composé, so it's we spent beaucoup de temps dans sa chambre, which is a lot of time in his room, où il a son ordinateur, which is OU with an accent is where, just OU without the accent is or. So, where he has his computer. Mais la mère de Pierre nous a interdit de passer toute ma visite à l'intérieur. This means, but the mother of Peter, okay? In French, you always have to remember something, that is, there's no apostrophe S in French. It's like Peter's mom. That's how we call it in English. But in French, you cannot say it like that. And the other way of saying that is, so it's the same thing, right? Peter's mother and the mother of Peter. But the mother of Peter, nous a interdit, which means interdire is to prohibit, okay, or to forbid. It's like that. So forbid us, okay, forbade, I guess that's the past tense of forbid. So it's forbade us to spend all my visit inside. À l'intérieur is inside the house, okay. Alors, nous sortions en ville tous les après-midi. Alors, so we leave to city, just like we left to city all the afternoons. So all the afternoons they just went out. Le week-end, je suis allé avec toute la famille prendre le déjeuner dans un restaurant près de nous. So the weekend is weekend only. Je suis allé. This is passé composé and passé composé with être. Aller falls under the être category. So it is je suis allé, which is I went, avec toute la famille, which is with all the family. Prendre le déjeuner is, prendre is to take. So take the lunch. Déjeuner is lunch. Petit déjeuner is breakfast. Dîner is dinner. La famille prendre le déjeuner dans un restaurant près de nous. Dans un restaurant is in a restaurant. Près de nous is near us. Okay, près de is near and loin de is far. J'ai beaucoup aimé ma visite au restaurant, which is I liked a lot my visit to the restaurant. And as you can see, j'ai beaucoup aimé, which is I liked a lot. Puis, nous sommes allés au jardin public. Puis is then. Nous sommes allés is we went. This is passé composé. Au jardin public. A plus LE will give you AU, that is article contract. Jardin public, that is public garden, okay. Et nous avons pris beaucoup de photos avec toute la famille, okay. So here it is, and we took, okay. Pris is the past participle of prendre. So nous avons pris beaucoup de photos, which is a lot of pictures, lot of photos, avec toute la famille, with all the family, with everybody. Nous nous amusons beaucoup. So here it is, we enjoyed ourselves well, okay. This is the reflexive verb. And j'ai invité Pierre à venir chez moi pendant les vacances. J'ai invité Pierre à venir chez moi pendant les prochaines vacances scolaires. Here it is, I invited Pierre to come to my home, okay. So it's like à venir is to come. Chez is, as I already told, it is at the place of me. Moi, here it is a pronoun tonic, that is me, okay. So come to my place. Pendant is during. Pendant les prochaines vacances scolaires. Prochaine means next. Vacances scolaires is the summer vacation. Here he's put his name as Benoit. So I guess you've understood this passage. It's a very small passage. I guess you've understood it. Now we'll go to the questions part of it. So here is your first question. Combien de temps Benoit a-t-il passé chez son ami? That is, combien de is how much or how many. So how much time Benoit spent at his friend's house? Okay. So how much time did he spend? The first line, I think it was given as 5 jours. Okay. So he spent 5 days at his home. So it will be Benoit a passé 5 jours chez son ami. Ou vous pouvez aussi écrire and you can also write it like Benoit a passé 5 jours chez Pierre. That also you can write. Pourquoi Benoît ne voit-il pas souvent Pierre? Why Benoît does not see Pierre very often? Why doesn't he see him very often? Why don't they meet very often? Okay, so it was given, right? Do you remember what is it from the passage? If you want, you can go back, refer to it and come back here. Parce que Pierre habite loin de Benoît. Benoît lives a little bit far off from that place, so that's why they couldn't meet very often, right? So, parce que Pierre habite loin de Benoît. Loin de is far. Pourquoi ils ont passé beaucoup de temps à l'intérieur? So here it is why they spent a lot of time. À l'intérieur is the inside of the house. Why did they spend a lot of time inside the house? Parce que ils aiment jouer aux jeux vidéo. Because they like to play the video games all the day, so they didn't go out much. So the next question is, comment ils restent en contact? They said that they don't meet very often, right? But still they kept in contact. How was that? Ils restent en contact sur FB et WhatsApp. Then it is qui a obligé Pierre et Benoît à sortir? So who obliged, who wanted Pierre and Benoît to leave the house? The mother of Pierre. She doesn't want them to spend the whole vacation inside the house, so she wanted them to go out and play. So let's see the next one. This is le weekend. Où ils sont allés? Who is where? So the weekend, where did they go? Ils sont allés au restaurant et au jardin public. Okay, so they went to a restaurant and then they also went to a garden. Pour quand Benoît a-t-il invité Pierre à venir chez lui? So when Benoît invited, a-t-il invité is the inversion of il invite. Il a invité Pierre à venir chez lui, which is Peter to come to his house. So, pendant les prochaines vacances scolaires. So, with the next summer vacation, he asked him to come to his place. So, that's all with the questions. I guess you guys understood this one. If you guys have any doubts or something, if you don't understand something that is given there, drop a comment below. I'll just try to get back to you. First time, just write down whatever the new words that you had, and then just revise it and read the passage by yourself, and you'll understand much better if you do it for the second time. And when you don't know the answer for a question, whenever it is shown on the screen, what you can do is just pause the video, go back to the reading passage, just read it and then find out the answer and come back here. So thank you so much for watching the video. If somebody is looking to learn French, you can share this with them. So happy learning.